Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy dessert for your outdoor cookouts. It's grilled plantains. That's next. First thing, you want plantains that are as black as possible. The blacker they are, the sweeter they will be. No need to puncture or peel, just put them straight on the grill. If you are grilling them after your main meal when the heat has died down, put them in the middle. But if you're cooking them at the beginning, then I suggest putting them towards the sides where there is less heat. You want them to grill, not burn. I cooked mine for about 15 minutes each side. You just want them to cook till they get tender. I stuffed these with a little homemade pineapple non-dairy yogurt Softserve. They were so yummy together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I'll be back soon with another delicious recipe. Hasta luego!